Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a scratch test on the display of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to see how durable and strong it is. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this scratch test, we will use these two knives here. So first of all, let's start with the red one. Let's go a bit brutal. So I think it's more than enough. Let's have a look on the screen of our S24 Ultra, and as you can see, it is looking pretty nice. There is no visible scratch, dent or anything on the display here. If you notice anything, feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below along with the timestamp. So with the lights on or with the lights off, it is looking pretty clean. No scratches so far. So let's try the second knife now. And once again, let's have a look on the display of our S24 Ultra. We clean it a bit, and once again, it is looking perfect. There is no visible damage to the display so far, no scratches or anything. It's looking pretty clean. Once again, if you notice anything, just let me know in the comment section below. So it is totally fine and perfect from every angle after using these two knives here on our S24 Ultra display. The touch screen is working perfectly. As you can see, everything is fine. Everything is working perfectly here on our S24 Ultra display. So as you can see, the Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the display of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is pretty solid and provides a very nice protection to the display of S24 Ultra. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.